everyone. So I've never done anything like this, but I just received my Blessed is She Liturgical Planner in the mail, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review. I haven't opened this at all. All I've done is just cut the tape here just to make it easier. I'm holding the phone with one hand, and then I'll have my left hand free, and hopefully this doesn't come out too blurry or anything. Like I said, I've never done anything like this before. This would be my first video. But yeah, the box is really pretty. It says plan and pray. It has tape closing it around that says Blessed is She. The other side of the box just has my address and stuff, so I'm not going to show that. And let's go ahead and open this up. Like I said, sorry if it gets blurry or out of focus or anything. I'm really excited. Ooh, it looks nice. So what do we got here? It says, Blessed is she, ever wondered if you'd find a community of like-minded Catholic women? You just did. I think I received this as well when I received my Misericordia Bible study. So it's just a little pamphlet with like information about Blessed is She and their social media on there. Let's see what else inside. Just some more information on Blessed is She. I found Blessed is She when I was trying to get back into my Catholic faith. I wanted to like look into study groups or study books, like specifically for Catholic people. Surprisingly, it was really hard for me to find stuff, but when I found Blessed is She, I got really excited, and I've been enjoying a lot of what they have to offer. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's all bubble wrapped. Okay, let's see how I can do with one hand, or let's move the box out of the way. So it's all bubble wrapped for protection. Sorry guys. Ooh, so it says Blessed is She Liturgical Planner, August 2020 to July 2021. It's like the gold binding on it. The back is just plain. It is saran, or like has like a saran wrap on it, so I'm gonna have to stop the video and get this opened. Thank you. Okay, so I got it open. It's a really pretty like light pink tan color. It has the gold like binding on it. It did get a little bented right there, but it's okay. It says Blessed is She Liturgical Planner. It has all the months in like this pretty gold color. Really like it. Has a folder. You can put paper, stickers. It says the liturgical calendar and daily planner made for the modern Catholic woman. Go through here. It has a letter from Jenna. It'll have the liturgical mass colors. What is this? Okay, so it lets you know what the color is for and what it's used for. So like that purple color, it'll be penance, preparation, and sacrifice, and it'll be used for Advent and Lent. It has the yearly calendar. Oh, okay, and then they mark out all the colors according to the day, and you can reference them here. Keep going. It has the holy days of obligation, the novena start dates, how to make a holy hour, Eucharist adoration, holy hour, What do I do during Holy Hour? See, I love that because as someone who's, barely getting back into their Catholic faith and basically learning, this is great for me. All of the prayers, Saint Michael, Our Father, in Latin, Hail Holy Queen. The paper's really nice as well, like nice thick paper. Feels like a really well-made planner. How to pray the rosary. I'm really excited for that. The mysteries of the rosary. So, let's see. I just realized it's tabbed here. Yearly, and then the prayers. This is a place for us to start our month in prayer. And then for the August tab, it says, in the beginning, God created, Genesis 1:1. So you'll have your monthly spread, color coordinated, and then the entire verse here, Genesis 1:1-3, and then the following month, and the last month, and a quick area for you to write. Just quick notes you don't want to forget. And then the week of July 27th. So this will be like a quick dashboard. You have a little grocery list, meal planning, prayer intentions, quick to-do list, and then just a blank sheet of writing paper. And then the next would be the weekly spread, and each day it goes Monday through Sunday. You have it timed out starting from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Today I will, a quick checklist, your daily prayers, and something you're grateful for. The weekend is cut off into 2, and they have just quick little check off dots. And then, it looks like it goes that same way each week with a weekly spread. Let's go ahead and check every month, and then a notes page. I did get the full-size planner just because this is my prayer planner that I intend to just keep on my desk, like while I'm reading my Bible, doing my prayers, doing my Bible studies. And then I use an Erin Condren for my regular everyday planner. So I guess now I'll just flip through each month so you can see what it is. The Bible verse for each month. You have received the spirit of adoption. For September, let's go to October. Every perfect gift is from above. That's really nice. November. The Lord is my rock and my fortress. I love that. And it looks like at the beginning of every month, you'll have, I guess, just a way to start your prayer. And kind of, I guess that would be like a prompt to get you started with sharing your heart with the Father. That's really, really nice. I love that. Let's go on to December. It says, be healed. And again, every month has starting your month in prayer. January, we have found the Messiah. February, I know my own and my own know me. That's beautiful. Such a pretty planner. I love it. I am the way and the truth and the life. I really love that. Really pretty, really great paper. The wind blows where it wills, John 3:8. Moving on to May. The advocate will teach you everything. June. The Holy Spirit will come upon you. July. The church had peace and was built up. Acts 9:31. And that's where the year ends. And then the last page is a notes tab. So pretty. I love the colors, like very neutral, very subtle, soft. And you get a couple notes pages. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you get quite a lot of pages. 9, 10, 11, 12 notes pages. And it comes with another folder in the back and then a binding. It's really good. Hardcover. It's kind of hard to close right there. Oh, okay, I see. So, because that's where it connects, it won't really let me close it that way. So we'll just have to close it back the other way. It's really pretty. Super happy with it. I can't wait to get it started. And like I said, yeah, sorry for this wobbly video. This is my first time doing this. Thank you.